Okay, so thank you for clicking on this video. Right now we're going to jump right into an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. See, I already opened the box, but I'm going to go right into it and show you exactly what's in it. These are 5 full-size products. It comes with this little protection foam and this card right here tells you the value of each item, and it makes you feel like it's worth it because all these items are way more expensive than $25. It's way more than $25. So I'm just gonna jump right into it and show you how much it is for each item. Okay, first one's Huda Beauty. So this is the Obsession palette in coral. It's $27. Next we have the Maelle Beauty. So this is a mascara. This is $20. Next we have the Benefit Cosmetics Dandelion Shy Beam. So this is more of a matte highlighter. It's very interesting. I don't have any of this, so I'm excited to try it out. It is $26. Next we have Purlisse, and this is $45. It's Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. Prevents fine lines, wrinkles, and all that stuff. $45. And this is the F.A.R.A.H F.A.R.A.H brushes, the 5-piece eye perfection set for $50. So I'm actually going to jump right in. You can see that I did use it and I really liked it. So let's just get into it. I'm just gonna jump into the look right now. I think I'm gonna be using all the products except the Purlisse because I actually put my face makeup on already. So I have my BB cream and I'm not gonna put this on top, but I'll use it maybe tonight. I'm gonna get right to it. It didn't come with a primer, so I am gonna take my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and I'm just gonna pat it down on my eyes. I'm just gonna dabble here. You want a really thin layer, and I'm gonna start off with the largest brush. As you can see, I did use them already. Sorry. This one is called the 35E Tapered Blending Brush. So I'm gonna go in with the center, the one right in the middle. Take that and I'm just gonna tap it off. I'm just gonna do that to both eyes. I'm just going to make this the base for the crease, a little bit on the lids. Now I'm gonna go in with the second fluffy brush, and this is called the 65E Large Shading. So I'm just gonna go in with this color here. So I'm gonna put this in the deep crease using the 3 mini tapered blending. I'm going to go back in with the 65E Large Shading Brush, and I'm just going to gently go over this color again. I'm going to use the yellow to put that in the inner corners of my eye. And now I'm going to go in with this color here with the 6 Short Shading. And now I'm going to take this 205 Fly Wings. And I'm going to take yellow. And I am trying to avoid any type of Fix Plus. I'm showing you just how the product is as it is. I'm going to take maybe the mix of these. Taking the Maelle. So I'm done with my eye look. I usually do a winged eyeliner, and I usually add some sort of setting spray or primer spray onto my brush to give a more vibrant look. But I wanted to keep it more to the basic simple side just to show you the natural state of this. I did add a little bit of eye primer as you saw earlier, but overall this is a pretty good palette. I love the mascara. And now I'm going to jump into the Dandelion Shy Beam. Okay, so it's just like a highlighter, so let's get started on this. You need to do a dabbing motion to get the result that you want. I'm in love with at least the brushes. This I have to get used to, but it's also a nice concept of a natural highlight that's matte instead of shiny. I like everything so far, so thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!